बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। लाखों करोड़ों दरूद आका सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम पर और उनकी आल पर। 1 2 3 स्टार्ट। Not fear the immediate end of the world, full stop. There is every reason to believe that life will be possible on earth, comma, in very much the same forms as at present, comma, for millions of years to come, full stop. Man is but a baby, comma, just starting out in life, full stop. It is said that if we take the possible life of the earth as just 1 million years dash a low figure dash, then man has at least a million times as long to live as he has already lived, full stop. He is like a baby who came into the world a little over half an hour ago and who has before him a life of 75 years, full stop, para. It is a wonderful thing to think that man has perhaps several million years in front of him in which to develop, full stop. He has already shown that he can do wonderful things, comma, and we cannot picture the wonderful future which may be before him, full stop. Life day by day is wonderful, comma, the developments of the future may be yet more wonderful dash, they almost certainly will be more wonderful dash, and we feel that our own lives are too short, comma, and we wish that it were possible for us to see more than just a very little of that development before we too become part of the past dash, a past, comma, however, comma, which perhaps lives on, full stop. Para. We can see, comma, therefore, comma, that the common expressions, inverted commas, start a long life, inverted commas, close, and inverted commas, start a short life, inverted commas, close, have real meaning only when thought of in relation to the life of the man in the street, comma, the number of years on which insurance companies base their figures, full stop. But we seem at present ready to ask questions and willing to hear the answers, comma, so let us ask one or two further questions, full stop. What do the words long and short mean when used in regard to distances? Question mark. What do we mean when we say a place is near or far, comma, when we say a thing is of light weight or is heavy, comma, when we say that we are moving more or less quickly, question mark. What do we mean when we say that an object is great or is small, question mark. We find that all these expressions have real meaning only when one object is considered in relation to some other object, full stop. Nothing can be long or short, comma, big or small, comma, light or heavy, comma, or itself, full stop. It can be these things only when considered in relation to some other object, full stop, para. The life of a man is short almost beyond measure when considered side by side when with the life of man upon earth, comma, past and future, full stop. So, comma, 2, comma, is any distance we have upon earth short beyond measure when considered side by side with the distances which are beyond the earth, full stop. If we move around the world in a straight line, the biggest distance we can cover is about 24 5,000 miles full stop. But if we look far out beyond the earth, we are faced with distances in relation to full point.